Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore equivalent fractions. We use this piece of paper to represent one whole. Let's fold the paper into half. Then, we shade a fraction of the paper. What fraction of the paper is shaded? Pause and discuss with your friends. After folding the paper into half, there are two equal parts. Out of the two parts, one part is shaded. So, the fraction of the paper that is shaded is 1/2. Now, let's fold the paper one more time. After folding the paper again, we have 4 equal parts. Out of the 4 parts, how many parts are shaded? 2 of the 4 parts are shaded. So, we can also say that the fraction of the paper that is shaded is 2/4. Now, let's fold the paper one more time. After folding the paper again, we have 8 equal parts. Out of the 8 parts, how many parts are shaded? 4 out of the 8 parts are shaded. So, we can also say that the fraction of the paper that is shaded is 4/8. From here, we can see that 1/2 is equal to 2/4, which is equal to 4/8. They are fractions that are equal in value even though their numerators and denominators are different. So, they are equivalent fractions. Today we have learned about equivalent fractions. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.